how to see Instagram password while logged in. So if you want to see your Instagram password while you are logged in on your Instagram app, then first of all, let's open up the Instagram application. And then you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right. And now you can go for the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon. And then you can go for settings and privacy. And if you go for account center, which is on the first option, here you will have personal details. And under your account center, you will have password and security. Tap on that. And here you will have change password option, right? Tap on change password and you can choose Instagram. And here you can see that it asks for your current password, and then it is asking to enter a new password and retype your new password. So we can't know the password of Instagram while logged in, it won't show us. So we don't have that option on Instagram. But if you want to know your password, and like if you have forgotten your password and if you don't remember it, then you can go for forgotten your password. And it says that they have sent an email to your email address, and you can simply tap on that email and then you can reset your password. And after resetting, you can know your password after that. So that's it. We don't have an option on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.